Well, hello there, and welcome back to another Camping Mat adventure. Today, we're on our way to Concrete, Washington for an overnight camping trip at Rasor State Park. Chef Troy's ahead of me in his camper. He's gonna put on a couple nice meals for us, and we're gonna check out a couple hikes there within the park itself. Should be spectacular.
So follow us along as we check out what's just around the corner here in the Pacific Northwest.
Oh yeah. After Chef Troy and I set up our campsites, we gathered around the campfire to warm up a bit. Our plan was to take Whaler and Sherman, the dogs, on an afternoon hike down to the river before dinner. The weather was perfect, except for the cold, but we weren't going to let that stop us from having a good time. Having a real fire is always a treat, as often there are burn bans here in Washington State during the summer months. Hey guys, don't leave me behind. Oh, Sherman, you ready to go? These dogs are ready to go. Okay, where are we going?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Oh, here.
We're here and we're gonna follow the purple to the green,
To
all the way
a
out
little
to
bit
the
of the
water.
red.
A little more green.
Is it a mile? Is it like a point?
Blue. It'll probably be a mile round trip.
That's pretty cool that they got a rivet here. I've never seen anybody do that before.
You are here.
Yeah, that's awesome. I love that. You are here with a little rivet. All right, let's go. We got the dogs in tow. We got the dead squirrel on Allie's head. We are set. Did you kill that squirrel?
No.
No? Did you pay somebody to kill it?
No.
No? Was it found dead on the side of the road like roadkill?
No.
Well, then how did it get there?
Squirrel.
A squirrel.
Not a squirrel.
Wow. Little waterfall over there. This is a spectacular view. Troy, have I told you that you're my best friend today?
Last hour.
Whew, and look at those brand new phase dust from Elysian Imperial Hazy IPA. Whew.
There you go, buddy.
Thank you.
We're looking at that. We are here.
We are here. You are here.
So we got.
There's a sign for you to read.
Okay, what does it say? This state park, situated along the beautiful Skagit River, provides habitat for wildlife and plants, as well as providing recreation opportunities for you and your family. Rasor State Park, is that how you pronounce it?
Is it Razor? I don't know. Rasor?
Rasor, Razor?
It's gotta be Rasor.
I always thought it was Razor, but...
No, Razor is spelled differently.
Well...
It's a 180 acre park.
That's pretty cool. Skagit River. Most of the island for this 180 acre park was donated by Daniel Rasor to honor his Skagit County family pioneer heritage. Wow.
It's also land, not island. But
most of the land. Did I say
you
island?
said island.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thanks for always being there to point out my mistakes, Troy. I appreciate it.
That's what good friends are for.
Yeah.
You know? I had nothing else to do in life if I couldn't point out your mistakes, and trust me, there's a lot to point out.
You know, I'm not sure how to think about that.
Every time hey, remember that time you pulled into a campground, got out of your rig while it was still in reverse?
No, I don't remember that at all.
I remember because it was like 10 minutes ago.
Nope, nobody likes you, Troy. No one. I'm thinking your wife is reconsidering why she chose you.
Hey, Allie, go down that slide.
Somebody needs to go down the slide. Come on, Allie.
Hey, Matt, let me see your camera for a second.
I'd go down that slide, Allie, but you got to go down that slide. You going down the slide?
Let me see your camera.
All right, I'm going down this slide. I mean, who doesn't want to go down the slide? The question is how you get up there.
Oh, right here. There's a.
No,
there is. There's a ladder right here. Oh, you got to go through the tunnel then.
You got to do it proper. You got to go through the tunnel.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
Go through the tunnel.
All right.
Hold on.
Man.
Whaler's going nuts.
Dude, I gotta admit, I'm a little bigger than last time I probably did this. I hope I don't get stuck. Whoa. Are you gonna go down it, Troy?
No,
Oh.
I'm an adult.
What does that have to do with anything? You're an adult. You of all people, Troy, always tell me that age is just a number.
Yeah. Born
Woo!
ready.
All right, here we go. Oh, oh, that hurt a little. All right, Troy, it's your turn.
No, that ain't made for
Dogs.
Chef
Big man
Troy.
like you.
That ain't made for Chef Troy.
Oh,
All right. It's not.
all right.
Allie might do it though.
Come on, Allie. Yeah, all right. I knew she'd do it.
You got to go in there and get it.
No.
Oh no, you got to climb through the tube. You got to do it all.
Yeah. Oh, there she is.
Oh, it's all dirty from your shoes.
What do you mean dirty from my shoes? I probably cleaned it with my butt.
This?
Yeah.
No. Come on, Doodles. Come on, go get
I
back.
gotta admit that tunnel's a lot smaller than I expected it to be.
Come on, Doodles.
Oh, the dog's coming, or Whaler's
Trying
coming?
to get her to go. She won't.
Go get her.
Okay. Whaler is definitely not happy with you. She wants to be with you.
It's like...
Well, you're not really sliding. What's going on here? Let your feet go.
I did.
What?
It's not slick.
It's not slick,
No.
evidently, clearly. Whaler. Okay, Troy. It's your turn. Come on. Be a man. Don't be. Oh, yeah.
Do you want dinner tonight or no?
Yeah, what does that have to do with anything? All right, I guess not.
Stop. Get off of me.
I don't want to pull a hammy if I'm going to cook you a meal.
Shit. You could cook good just sitting down, the same as you could be standing up, I assure you.
Sherry did the slide.
Oh, hi, Sherms. You're all being shy now.
Careful. I'll let you one up now.
Oh, you didn't go down the little slide.
Yeah, me? That one, that looks, I'm not going down that one. That looks too terrifying.
You mean the little slide?
Yeah, Troy, you should do this one. I think you could risk going down this one and still be able to cook a steak tonight.
Go get Matt.
Oh yeah, here we go. Chef Troy. Dude, did you blow out a no ring or something? You all right?
That was all ice.
Excellent.
Do it
Excellent. Good job. Do it again. It's up to you, Sherman. You coming down?
It's pure ice. It's a solid sheet of ice.
You came down quite
I
fast.
know, it was fun.
So hey, buddy, what do you got planned for dinner tonight?
Well, we're going to try some cooking over the fire here. We get some Wagyu. Oh yeah,
American Wagyu.
Wagyu
Ribeye.
steaks. I brought some crabs. So we're gonna have it a little Oscar style. I don't know. I didn't bring a whisk, so we're gonna try to make a little béarnaise sauce without a whisk. That'll be interesting.
You know, steak Oscar is one of my favorite things to eat. You've made it for me twice that I can recall, and both times, if not the very first time, was the most fabulous I think I've ever had.
Steak Oscar, and we got some asparagus too, and we also got potatoes already going in the fire here.
Wow. What are you doing over there? You got a little salt and pepper?
Oh no, this is special seasoning here. What are you talking about? Salt, pepper. Shoot. Some good stuff right there.
All right.
As always, special blend of spices and seasonings. You know, can't give away all my secrets.
I don't think you give away any of your secrets.
I know. That would also mean I'm not giving away all of them.
If you say so. Dungeness crab right there. That's quite a bit. What's the 2C mean?
2 cups.
2 cups.
Just how Julie measured them out.
Mm.
I'm just trying to warm the steaks a little bit. So cold out here. I think it's close to freezing. So it's tough to bring something up to room temperature when it's freezing out.
Yeah, those steaks aren't going to rest much if that's what you're planning on
No,
doing.
so that's why they're just sitting over there. They're just coming up to temp.
Mm. What do you got there?
Asparagus with some olive oil, salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic, and because I know Camping Matt loves Parmesan, I'm gonna grate a little Parmesan on there.
Oh, dude, you know I love Parmesan.
It sounded good. I was at the house prepping, and I saw my freezer full of. I don't want to leave behind all this good
Garlic.
here. Let that cook in there. that boy's going.
Campfire steak Oscar.
The first for me.
Yeah, you cook steak Oscar.
Yeah.
Before, but it's usually on a boat.
Not over a campfire.
That right there looks absolutely amazing.
No, I'm just saying. I'm not saying that. Yeah, open fire cooking is fun, but when you're camping, it's it'd be different than if you were open fire at a house, or this was in a campground at a state park.
It looks great. American Wagyu
Crab,
Dungeness crab here from the Pacific Northwest.
hollandaise, which turned out okay, but not great.
Asparagus,
With Parmesan, salt and pepper.
garlic, potatoes, bacon.
Oh yeah.
There's mine.
You didn't get the bacon on yours.
I
did you?
got a little bit of bacon on
Oh,
there.
you-
Oh, a little
oh,
extra
you
bacon
didn't
never
eat
hurt
it.
nobody.
You know.
All right. All right. Oh, let's eat. All right, stick it in there.
I think I might like it regular
Yeah.
better. I haven't even squished it yet.
Hey, don't cross the streams.
Then quit doing it. You're the one doing it.
What do you
No,
mean?
there are quiet hours.
Oh,
Matt
quiet hours.
Matt knows what hours means.
Follow along next week as our adventure continues.